In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to install AWS SAM, the Serverless Application Model, on your Windows system. AWS SAM provides a great way to manage and deploy serverless applications, making it a must-have for developers working in cloud environments. Today, we'll focus on getting it set up quickly and efficiently, so let's dive right in. To start off, you'll first need to head over to the official AWS SAM CLI release page. This is the source for all official downloads and updates related to AWS SAM. You can easily find this page by doing a quick internet search for AWS SAM CLI releases. Once you're there, you'll see a list of various download options and information about the latest releases. Now scroll down until you reach the section labeled Assets. This is where you'll find the files available for download. Since we're focusing on Windows installations today, look for the file named AWS SAM CLI 64py3.msi. This is the 64-bit Windows installer file that you'll need. Go ahead and click on it to start downloading. Make sure your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions during the download process. Once the download is complete, locate the AWS SAM CLI 64py3.msi file in your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files. It's time to run this file to begin the installation process. Double-click the file, and you'll see the standard Windows installation setup wizard pop up. This wizard will guide you through the installation steps. The setup wizard is designed to be straightforward. You'll mostly be clicking Next to proceed through each step of the installation. It will first ask you to accept the license agreement, which is a standard procedure. Take a moment to read through it, and then click I agree to continue. After that, you'll select the installation location. The default location is usually fine for most users, but if you have specific preferences, feel free to change it. As you proceed, the wizard may prompt you to choose components or settings. For a basic installation, the default settings should work perfectly. After confirming your choices, click Install to commence the process. The installation should only take a few minutes, but it may vary depending on your system's performance. Once it's complete, click Finish to exit the wizard. And there you have it. AWS SAM is now installed on your Windows system. To verify the installation, you can open a command prompt and type in SAM version. This command should return the current version of AWS SAM installed, confirming that everything is set up correctly. I hope you found this guide helpful. By following these steps, you should now have AWS SAM ready to help you manage and deploy your serverless applications on AWS. If you encounter any issues along the way, double-check each step to ensure everything was done correctly, and don't hesitate to consult the AWS documentation for more detailed troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.